Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and configure abandoned cart recovery on Shopify. So let's begin. So here we are in Shopify, and to enable it, it's very simple. You just need to click here on marketing right here at the left side, click on it. And from here you would have additional options below. So you would select automations. So click on automations right here, and you can create the automations right here. So as you can see, I don't have any right here, but if you have an history of creating an automation for abandoned carts, then you would see it right here. But since I don't have one, so I'm gonna click here on create automation. And as you can see, it says to create a marketing automation, I need to upgrade my trial plan. And because I am just using my trial plan, I cannot use the abandoned cart feature right here. But in your case, if it's not trial, then you can just go and use this. You can click on this, and after that you can just enable it, and that's how easy it is. And after that it would show up right here, and from here, once you click on the abandoned cart, then you would be able to see everything right there. The abandoned cart emails right there. You would see every detail, and that is how you enable and configure your abandoned cart here in Shopify.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.